Welcome to the structural drawing video part 5. In this video, we will learn about the roof slab details. So, as you can see in this video, this is the cross section of interior slab. This is the support and this is the slab resting on this support. So the reinforcement detail is that at these are the bottom distribution bars. These dotted so this dot shows that this is the section of the distribution bar, and this horizontal bar below this dot, these distribution bars, this horizontal line shows the main bars provided at the bottom of this slab. And here these above are the this is the distribution bars. The dot shows the distribution top distribution bars, and here this is the negative reinforcement provided at the top as extra bars. This is the thickness of the slab, and it is 6 inches thick. This is the detail. This is the main bars of the slab at the bottom, and this dot represents the distribution bars. And this is a chair. This is chair which supports the top extra bars, and we have to provide the top extra bar at length of L by 3 from the support on this direction, and L by 3 from the support on this left side direction. This L by 3 will be taken from the base of the support. Is the support base, and from here to here this is L by 3, and this is the break wall which supports the slab. Now we proceed to the another section. This is the cross section of edge on corner slab. So as you studied in this section, this is the negative reinforcement provided at the top, and these dots represent the distribution bars, and this sloping line represents these are the chairs which support the top extra mesh of the bars, and we have to provide the negative bars at of length equal to L by 3 on this direction and L by 3 on this side, and L is the length of the beam from here to the end on this side. And this is the edge slab detail, and this is the wall which supports the slab, and here this is the chair which supports the top extra bar mesh, and these are this horizontal line at the bottom represent the main bars provided at the bottom of the slab. This is the top extra bar, and these dots represent the distribution bars at the top, and this dot on the at the bottom represents the distribution bar that has been provided at the bottom. So this was the different sections of the slab reinforcement, and this thickness of the slab is 6 inches. So now we proceed to the another sections. This is the these are the another section, but before proceeding to this, we have to discuss about the hooks, the different hooks that has been used and the reinforcement. This is the 90-degree hook, and here the dia of this circular needle of this circular fin is equal to 6 times the dia of the bar, and the length of the hook is equal to, from here where the bend ends, the length of the hook starts, so from here to here it is equal to 12 times the dia of the bars. So in the 90-degree hook we have to provide the hook length of 12 times the dia of bars, and this is the 135-degree hook which is used in the stirrups and ties, and this 90-degree hook has been used in the primary reinforcement like the beams in the column that is here or here. So at the junction of beam column connections we have to provide this 90-degree hook, and this 135-degree hook is been only provided at the stirrups and ties. And here the dia of this circular fin is 4 times the dia of the bar, this bar, and the length of the hook to be provided is equal to 10 times the dia bar in case of 135 degree and 12 times dia bar in case of 90-degree hook. So this was about the detail of the hooks that is provided in the beams and stirrups. And now we proceed to this section. I'm going to zoom in so that we can clearly see. So this is the detail of the construction joint in raft or slab. So this is the detail of the construction joint. So this is the slab or mat foundation. So from this line represents, it is the construction, the profile of the construction joint. It is, here is a trapezoid, like trapezoid. So the dimensions of this portion is this trapezoidal. We have from here to here, it is the thickness of this slab or raft divided by 4 from here to here, and this side of the trapezoid section should have a dimension of 3 by 5, means thickness of this slab or raft divided by 5, and from here to this end, this top end, it is 3 by 8 times of the thickness of this slab or raft. And this is this horizontal line with this point, dot and this dot. This represents the water stopper. The water stopper. Now we proceed to the another section of the this is the cross section of the sunken slab. So this is the normal slab and this is the sunken slab, and this is the beam, and here this is the main reinforcement at top, this is the main reinforcement. 3 plus 2 means 3 in this row and 2 in this row of 3 by 8 times dia of the bar. And here this is the stirrups of number 3 bar at the rate 6 inches center to center, and these main bars, these 3 main bars are 3 by 4 times dia of the bar. This is the thickness of the slab, this is the thickness of the sunken slab, and from here, from this slab to this slab, this is 18 inch deep, and the thickness of the wall is 9 inches, and the beam is also width of 9 inches, So now we proceed to the detail, mm, further detail of the sunken slab. So this is the sunken slab, this one. So the reinforcement detail of the sunken slab is, here we have to provide negative reinforcement, and also we have to provide the negative reinforcement near this support, and near this support. So this horizontal line represents the main bottom reinforcement bars in this slab, and this dot represents the distribution bars provided at the bottom of the slab. And this is the beam on the right side, and this is the beam on the left side of the sunk slab, and this is the normal slab which continues in this direction. And from here to here, this is the L by 4, and this is L is equal to the length from this space of the beam till this space of the beam. This is the length of the beam. So L by 4 till from this space till L by 4 we have to provide the negative reinforcement at the top, and from here this space of the beam till here, which is equal to the length of the beam divided by 4, we have provided the negative reinforcement to counter the negative bending moment which produces here at the supports. And so this was the 90-degree hook of the slab reinforcement in the beam, and this is also the 90-degree hook provided in the slab beam in the of the slab in the beam. So this was all about the different sections of the slabs and the sunk slab, and this is the section of the sunken slab. So the other detail that has been given in this drawing is that the concealed beam should be provided under all partition walls which are not rest on any beam or wall. So we have to provide the concealed beam where we have to provide the partition wall, and there is no support like wall below the slab where we have to provide the partition wall. So this was all about the detail on the different sections of the slab. So now if you have any questions in this, you can ask in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel.